Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the fiscal year, despite your busy schedule, thank you for being here today. As we introduced, I am the representative member of the sponsor of this meeting, Medwatcher. Let me say a few words. Topic of today is HPV vaccine harm, which is a very important subject in the history of drug disaster events in Japan. Because during past 70 years, there are many drug disaster events repeated. And drug disaster is totally different from accepted side effects. It's not accepted socially, and it is dramatic, and it involves huge population. Starting with 1948 diphtheria immunization and 1950s cuneiform thalidomide chlorine, and in 60s fibrinogen, and since late 70s factor 8, factor 9 drug blood products, and 1980 the lyophilized Duramater MMR vaccination, 2000 ERESA, and then HPV vaccine in around 2010. Which has resulted from the wrong evaluation assessment of the adverse events and the scientific evidence. And in our group, which was formed after the resolution of factor 8, factor 9 litigation, which caused the AIDS in hemophiliacs, which is about 20 years ago. And 2009, October, when Cervarix was approved, that is when the Ministry of Health of Japan has formed and started discussion about the prevention of the drug disaster. And when Gardasil was approved in July 2011, this group came up with the final report and the recommendation. And when the ministry's panel has started to discuss the policy formation, more than 60 years, there has been the measures taken in order to prevent the drug disaster, but in the same time, the new drug disaster is happening, which is caused by the drug, which is the product of human endeavor. And in order to have the causality, which is exactly the topic of the debate now, it's difficult to establish the causality. And about the harm caused by HPV vaccine, we are reports from 4 different countries. I hope that you will have a very active discussion. Thank you for your kind attention.